Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will be studying a fourth lesson, that is things around us. Under this lesson, we will study about things around us, living and non-living things, finding living and non-living things around us, and finally natural and man-made things. So let's begin.
Sid and Alicia are doing their homework in the lawn. Come, let us join them. Look, Diamond is running behind a butterfly. Alicia and Sid, on the other hand, are sitting on a chair and are busy studying. We can see that Sid and Alicia are surrounded by many things. Some of these are living, while others are non-living. For example, Diamond and the butterfly are living things, but the notebook, the teddy, and the chair are non-living things. Just like Sid and Alicia, we all are surrounded by living and non-living things. Do you know how a living thing is different from a non-living thing? Well, there are certain characteristics that a living thing has but a non-living thing doesn't. Come, let us look at these features one by one. All living things need food. Since plants are living things, they also need food. They make their own food instead of depending on outside sources. Food provides energy to all living things, which allows them to work and grow. Another characteristic of living things is that they grow. A baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen. And a sapling grows into a plant. All living things breathe. Animals breathe using their special body parts. For example, a fish uses its gills to breathe. Human beings use their lungs to breathe. Insects use these holes to breathe. Plants breathe using tiny openings present on the surface of their leaves. These tiny openings are known as stomata. All living things move from one place to another. Even though plants do not move from one place to another, certain plant parts show movement towards the sun. All living things produce young ones of their own kind. Animals can produce young ones either by laying eggs or giving birth to a new animal. For example, a hen lays eggs, while a cow gives birth to its calves. The process by which living things produce their young ones is known as reproduction. Ouch! Another characteristic of living things is that they can feel. Living things also feel the changes in their environment. They undergo changes as the environment around them changes. A change in the environment that causes a living being to change is known as stimulus. The change in the living being caused by the stimulus is called the response. For example, when we touch a hot object, we immediately move our hand away from the object. Here, the hotness of the object is the stimulus, and the removal of the hand is our response. In the same way, in a particular season, some plants shed their leaves. Here, the change in the season is the stimulus, and the shedding of leaves is the response. A thing is living only if it shows all the characteristics we have just discussed. If it does not show any one of these characteristics, it is a non-living thing. You may have often seen a balloon increase in size. That does not mean that the balloon is a living thing. Its size increases only when we blow air into it. It cannot grow on its own. Similarly, even though a car moves from one place to another, it is a non-living thing. This is because a car does not eat food and grow. Moreover, it does not move on its own. It moves when we drive it. Hence, both balloon and car are non-living things. Let's recap. Living things need food to grow. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. All living things can feel. Living things respond to stimulus. Anything that does not show all the characteristics of living things is a non-living thing.
All the things present in the world are natural or man-made, living or non-living. Natural things. We see beautiful lakes, mountains, forests, animals, and birds around us. They are all naturally present in the world. The things that naturally exist in this world are called natural things. All living things are natural things. Even some of the non-living things like sunlight, air, water, soil, sand, and rocks are natural things. Man-made things. The things which are made by man are called man-made things. Chair, jute bag, table, sweater are few examples of man-made things. Man makes things using the natural things. The book that we read is made from paper. Paper is made from the pulp of trees. The book is man-made, whereas the pulp of trees is a natural thing.
So my dear students, I hope you have clearly understood this lesson. Now we will perform a small and simple activity. First, what you will have to do, you will have to collect pictures of living and non-living things. Then paste pictures of living things on one page and the pictures of non-living things on another page. Similarly, you will have to collect pictures of natural and man-made things. Paste pictures of natural things on one page and pictures of man-made things on another page. Watch the video, try to understand the lesson and stay tuned to our next lesson. Till then, my dear students, stay home, stay safe.